This year we put on the market also our new press FS350. This is another in a series of new FS presses, available from smaller to medium-sized processors. Concept of FS presses is characteristic by a modern solution of a monolithic, stronger dimension basket and lengthwise lamellas. Thanks to this, we get a larger drainage area for a higher oil yield. During the design of Press FS350, we focused on simplicity, long service life and the widest possible application even for the oil seeds with a low fiber content. On the Press FS350 also remains the possibility for optimization during the pressing with an adjustable counter cone. Press FS350 is available in all variants like pre-press, final press, individual press for hot pressing or cold pressing, and many other applications. Thanks to its compact dimensions, it enables efficient creation of technological lines. For prompt delivery and easy installation, we have prepared compact solutions for many variants of use. This innovation arrangement with the Presses FS350 follow on from the very popular compact production line.